Hi there, welcome to my Kartra affiliate program review. If you're looking for an affiliate program that offers reoccurring commissions and high payouts, then this is the video for you. Today, I'll be covering everything from commission structure to how to get started. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how to get your hands on my 12K bonus stack that will definitely help you skyrocket your affiliate commissions. So make sure you stay to the end. And let's go over and have a more detailed look at what Kartra's affiliate program has to offer. Now, as you can see, Kartra is willing to pay you up to 40% reoccurring commissions for each qualified referral. And why that's pretty impressive is if you go to pricing and plans, you're going to see that their lowest offer is $119 a month or annually $99 a month, right? So you would still get 40% of that total. Their best valued offer is $229 a month. So being able to get 40% of this reoccurring from one customer is pretty amazing. And as you see, there's a professional level, which is $549 a month. And then you have the enterprise, which is $999 a month. And being able to be paid up to 40% for each plan reoccurring is why I think this is pretty amazing. Now, if we go back, let's get a more detailed look at what this affiliate program has to offer. So why join the Kartra affiliate program? As mentioned before, they are willing to pay up to 40% reoccurring commissions for every sale that you make. Next, there's a tiered payouts. This means if you refer somebody into Kartra and they end up referring somebody else, you get 10% of that person's commissions. Now, in order to help your promotional efforts, Kartra also gives you exclusive discounts and exclusive offers to help entice your audience a bit more to make a purchase. And that's very, very critical in order to be able to provide value to your audience. They give you creatives, which is great. And they also help you track your performance by giving you great detailed reporting. And all you have to do is sign up for free to get started. But it does help if you do use Kartra already, as the application process can be denied or approved. But there's some great frequently asked questions that I think we should go through just to get a better understanding of why you should be using Kartra. So who can join the program? They say we encourage any publishers, content creators, software reviewers, or online educators to apply for the program. So if that sounds like you, definitely go ahead. Now, do I need to be a customer? Said we would love it if you used Kartra yourself, but you are not required to be a Kartra customer in order to be part of the program, which is great news. But once again, I have heard stories of people being rejected because they don't have Kartra. So it would be wise, or it would be helpful, or give you 100% access rate if you did use it. Now let me get to a question that I think is really good. When do you get paid? Said affiliates pay schedules run on a monthly basis. All our affiliates are reviewed manually, which means timings can differ from month to month. However, that being said, we aim to get all qualifying affiliates paid between the 15th and the 20th of every month. So you not only have reoccurring commissions, you have reoccurring monthly commissions, which means if you're having successful campaigns, you can count on being able to reinvest those profits into scaling your efforts. Most importantly, it's important to know how you can promote specific products. Some people don't allow PPC because they don't want you competing for their keywords. So it's very important to make sure you know what is allowed and what isn't. But in this case, they are very open to the many ways that people promote Kartra. As you can see, they can promote via affiliate links, via blogging, SEO, PPC, advertising, email marketing, YouTube, WordPress, and more. This opens up so many possibilities as an affiliate marketer, and I definitely recommend you signing up to being able to promote Kartra as an affiliate program. Now, as an affiliate, it can be very competitive, so you need to be able to get in front of your target audience when promoting Kartra. And this is why my 12K bonus stack is going to be perfect for you, because I'm going to give you access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, what is the 24-hour ranking system? This is my mentor, Paul Murphy. He's going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google for free, using a special strategy that he exclusively came up with and made him millions and millions as a top super affiliate. The good thing about this, you do not need to spend money on Facebook ads or any other ad platform in order to get in front of your target audience. This will show you how to rank in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 for keywords that are competitive, and all you have to do to get access is to sign up for Kartra using my link in the description. The next part of this bonus is you're going to get the 12K bonus license, which will enable you to use this in your affiliate campaigns in order to make commissions and to entice people to actually take action on your offer. After that, I'm going to give you access to my mentor's weekly coaching sessions, where he will help you answer all questions related to ranking your products and services on the front page of Google. No matter what type of affiliate program, whether high ticket or low ticket, this will definitely benefit you, and I suggest you take advantage of it right away. Now, last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. This is going to help you get your first listings on the front page of Google and YouTube. And this is going to boost your confidence. It's going to make you take action in your own business to start scaling as fast as possible with multiple different affiliate programs. Now, just to quickly recap, you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching with my mentor, a license to give away this very bonus, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. This is all 100% free when you sign up with my link below. But I'm going to add more value by giving you access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy is an over-the-shoulder coaching program that shows you how to become successful with email marketing. It shows you how to build a successful email list, also how to nurture that list, and secret traffic sources that help you build that list automatically. Now, you don't want to miss this opportunity because this was $197, but today I'm going to give it to you for free for signing up to Kartra through my link below. And last but not least, I'm going to give you access to 90 Make Money Online courses. This ranges from everywhere from affiliate marketing to digital marketing to video marketing and SEO to Amazon FBA and even Bitcoin training. Everything you need to know, you are going to be able to use this as inspiration, information, helping you skyrocket your online activities and becoming much more confident in all your online endeavors. Now, just to quickly round it up again, you are going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching, a license to give away this mega bonus, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. You're also going to get access to List Prodigy. And finally, you're going to get access to 90 Make Money Online courses. So if you're an affiliate and you're looking for a program that's going to pay up to 40% in recurring commissions paid monthly, and you want a mega bonus that's going to help you supercharge your online efforts, then sign up to my 12K mega bonus, where you'll be taken to a page like this, where you can fill in your name and email and gain access to all these goodies and start making commissions. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next video.